The Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 is a motorcycle that represents the next step in the brand's evolution, combining the timeless essence of classic motorcycles with modern performance and cutting-edge design. The Super Meteor 650 stands as a perfect example of Royal Enfield's commitment to crafting machines that speak to the heart of motorcycling enthusiasts while offering the kind of power and comfort needed for contemporary riders. This motorcycle captures the spirit of adventure, providing a thrilling ride and an unparalleled connection between the rider and the road. At the core of the Super Meteor 650 lies a 648cc parallel twin engine, delivering a performance that seamlessly blends power with refinement. This engine has been carefully engineered to offer an impressive 47 horsepower and 52 Nm of torque, ensuring smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and a satisfying riding experience across a range of terrains. Whether you are cruising along highways or tackling twisty mountain roads, the Super Meteor 650's engine provides an effortless, enjoyable ride that reflects the Royal Enfield legacy of power and durability. The engine's balanced performance delivers a deep, throaty exhaust note that has become synonymous with Royal Enfield, a sound that instantly connects riders to the motorcycle and the road. One of the standout features of the Super Meteor 650 is its chassis and design, which exude a sense of strength and elegance. The bike features a modern yet vintage-inspired design, with muscular lines and bold curves that create a commanding presence on the road. The round headlamp and sculpted fuel tank serve as a tribute to Royal Enfield's classic motorcycles, while the large, sculpted rear fender, alloy wheels, and forward-set footpegs create a contemporary feel. The motorcycle's low-slung profile gives it an aggressive stance, perfectly balancing its modern performance with the brand's heritage. The Super Meteor 650 also incorporates advanced suspension technology, with a front 43mm telescopic fork and twin shock absorbers at the rear. This suspension setup ensures that the bike delivers a smooth and comfortable ride, even on uneven roads or long-distance journeys. The shock absorbers are tuned to provide excellent handling and stability, making the bike well-suited for riders who enjoy long tours as well as those who prefer navigating through the hustle and bustle of city streets. The Super Meteor 650 offers a stable and predictable ride, thanks to the well-balanced suspension, which allows riders to handle corners with confidence while keeping the ride comfortable over rougher surfaces. The braking system on the Super Meteor 650 is equally impressive, with twin-disc brakes at the front and a single-disc brake at the rear, complemented by dual-channel ABS for added safety. These brakes offer superior stopping power and improved confidence when decelerating, ensuring that the rider can maintain control in various riding conditions. The combination of powerful brakes and advanced safety features like ABS makes the Super Meteor 650 not just a thrill to ride but a safe and reliable motorcycle. The ergonomics of the Super Meteor 650 are designed to provide comfort for riders during long rides. The motorcycle features a relaxed and upright riding position, with forward-set footpegs and a wide, comfortable seat. This configuration ensures that the rider can maintain a comfortable posture, minimizing fatigue on long journeys. The handlebars are also positioned for easy reach, and the seat provides ample cushioning for both the rider and passenger, making it an ideal choice for touring and long-distance adventures. Royal Enfield has clearly considered the rider's comfort when designing the Super Meteor 650, ensuring that the experience is enjoyable regardless of the distance traveled. The motorcycle is also equipped with an all-digital instrument cluster that offers modern features while maintaining the classic aesthetic of the brand. The cluster includes a speedometer, tachometer, trip meter, and fuel gauge, all presented in a clean and easy-to-read layout. The modern digital display is integrated